Alright, it's Alex back here with Mechatex, and today, as you see here, if you recognize this drone, it's the Robomaster Tello Talent with extension, of course. And today I'm going to show you 3 different programs on the drone. And let me go ahead and start with the first one. I'll set the drone down. I'll actually show you the remote soon. So first, I'm going to hit button number 1. That's going to change the light to red. You can't really tell it's red, but then use blue for number 2. As you can see, 1 is red, 2 is blue, and then 3 is just off. And then actually any other number is off. So you see I hit 4, 5 is off, 6 is off, 7 is off. And then you can also just disable it and enable it with the power button on this remote. But that's it for the first program, and we're on to the next one.